Hello everyone, and welcome back to another PixelTime episode. I'd just like to say before we start that I'm really glad that you guys have been along for the ride so far. I really enjoy making these videos, and I hope you enjoy them as much as I like making them. Today I thought we would go and make some rocket launchers. Okay, so for the first one I think I'll do a RPG type, and that one has a fairly simple shape, so we'll just go ahead and start making the shape. I'll do the explosive head first. I'm not sure if that's big enough, but we'll go with that for now and see how it looks later. Okay. Right, let's just continue. I'm just going to make this staff part of it. Probably want to make it a bit thicker than that, don't I? Okay, let's do that then. Use the eraser. Yeah, I think that's a better idea. Okay. And bring it all the way down here. I'll just leave it there for now. And what about this side? Okay. You want to have some kind of handle here, and the trigger goes here somewhere. So let's make this about that size there. And then another handle down here. I'll make this one a slightly different shape. Keep it interesting. Okay. Alright, so we're getting some kind of shape going on here. We'll just make the trigger part there. And how about we make a little sight here, and we'll make one a bit further down as well. I might just move that one back. Okay. And this part here, like so. And there's a little bit at the end here. Okay, that's not too bad a shape. I will work with that. So we'll get our base color. Just fill these in for now. And then I'm going to grab this red color. I'm going to make the explosive head red. No reason at all. Since I've already got the colors here anyway. Okay, and a shadow underneath where the light won't touch it. Like so. Alright, and I think I'll just make this part brown here, because I had a look earlier at roughly what they look like, and it's like a copper bit here or something, but I'll just make it this color. Okay, And the shadow, darker brown. Alright, let's get these colours going. Now, I've probably filled it in with the wrong colour here. So we'll just change that. And we'll get this lighter colour and put some highlights in here. I might just move this back again. How did I make it last time like that? Just a little bit better. I think that looks a little bit better anyway. We'll go with that. Doesn't make too much difference. Okay. I'll just put some shadows at the bottom of the kind of pole shape here. And some shadows down the bottom here. Okay, bit of light. That's probably not right. That looks a bit better. One here. Should I put some there as well? Yep. Okay, and I won't forget down here as well. Will it pay to put just a little shine on it here as well? Just to bring the colour out a little bit. And I think that's about it. I think that's not too bad an RPG for that one. Okay, so for the next one, I think I'll do a Javelin. It's kind of like a guided rocket missile thing. So let's get this head done first. It's kind of like a spot the rocket comes out of. Okay. And right, we'll just make a line all the way down here. And I think I'll do the same on this side as well. Only I'll make this one a little bit bigger on this side, I think. Just bring that up a little bit. Okay. Okay, so roughly that size. And now I can just use the shift shortcut to make a line. Okay. Now let's put in some kind of... I don't think they really have a sight, to be honest, but I'll put one in anyway, just to give it a little bit of detail. Okay, I'm just going to put little details in here as well. Put some like bands around it or something, and same going for here. Put something there. Okay, and there's a part down here that you look through to lock onto a target, so let's just make that as well. Comes down a bit down here somewhere, and okay, so I'll make that part. No idea what shape, But I think that probably doesn't look quite right actually. Just delete that part there. Just wonder if I might just bring that up a bit and put that one more down here. Okay, that's not too bad. And then there's like this camera part here as well. Okay. Alright. And just for a little bit more detail, I might just put something here as well. Just some kind of, just some shapes to make it interesting. Okay, let's go about making, adding some colour, sorry. So we'll get some base colours down first. I want to make these a little bit darker than the rest of them. And excuse me. And we'll just fill these parts in. Oops. Okay. And I'm going to make this part a different colour as well, so it stands out a little bit. Make that brown. And I think I don't really have any yellow colours. I think that would look good on here though. I'll go about making the yellow colours later. I'll just fill these in with red for now. Okay. Okay, and there. Alright, let's start adding some highlights. And some shadows on the bands. Okay, already that gives it a little bit of colour. Let's add some shadow to these, and I'm bring the shadow up a bit further than the rest of it on here, just so it looks a little bit darker. Okay, I'll just try this. I'm going to change these colours a little bit, just to see what happens. And make this our shadow at the bottom. And see if that works at all. Actually, that looks pretty good. I like that. Okay. So that adds a little bit of depth to it. A little bit of a change of colour. Looks fantastic. Okay. Alright, what about some highlights on this here? I've forgotten completely about this mirror part as well. So we'll fix that. Not mirror, it's a lens or something that they look through. And right, so I wanted to make these yellow, didn't I? I think it'll be a better colour if those are yellow. So let's just try something out. I'll just put the marquee tool around this, and go about changing these colours. My voice is really crackly tonight, I can barely speak. Probably doesn't help. I actually work in a freezer environment. It's probably not much good for my voice box, but that's life. Maybe I'll try a green instead. Let's try a green. That doesn't seem to be working. I'll take contiguous off so it gets... Oh dear. Forgot to put the marquee tool back up. Right. Okay. And then we're going to grab this lighter colour and change that to a green. But I'll put it towards yellow a little bit more. And grab this colour. And a little closer to the blue. Just hue shifting. It's not very good green. I think it's got too much saturation. So we'll change that. Just go towards the grey a lot more. And that will probably dull the colour a little bit. That's a little bit better. So we've got the two rocket launchers, we've got the RPG and a Javelin. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video, and leave in the comments what you'd like to see next week as well. I'm thinking of maybe doing a couple of shotguns to finish off the set, and I really would like to know what you'd like to see for the next lot of PixelTime videos. Maybe you would like to see another set, or maybe you'd like to see a bunch of I don't know, characters or monsters or something like that. I look forward to your feedback, and until next time, bye for now.